Yeah. So hello everyone. Good morning and good evening. One second. People are still joining. Um, okay, fine. So yesterday we have actually discussed about what is React.js, and we have discussed what is the course content, and we have also walked through the real applications what we are going to develop in the React.js application. I mean React.js course. Today we are going to do the software installation. Okay, because once you do this kind of setup software installation, so then everyone will be on the same path, and we can start directly learning of React.js. Okay, so first we'll start with React. Software installation for React.js. So first one is Notepad++. I think you can see everything here. Let me just maximize. One second. Yep. First, the software will be Notepad++. This is the just like a Notepad only, but it is just something advanced version of Notepad. Why we want this is to take some notes. If you want to take some running notes while doing the class, or if you want to take some commands, so we use this Notepad++. And there is one second. Okay, and the next one is Node.js. So we need this Node.js, okay, because a React.js application is runs on Node as well. Okay, so to create a React.js application, we need to install a Node.js. Okay, so even we need this for backend, we need Node.js, and we also need this MongoDB software. So MongoDB is for database, so we have to install that setup in our system, and then there are two other softwares like Insomnia and Postman. These two for testing the REST API, because at server side we're going to develop the REST API. Okay, so to test the backend part, only just the backend part REST API you want to test it, you need the softwares like uh, this one, Insomnia or Postman. Some people use Insomnia and some people use Postman. So, but we use both. Okay, installation of both. And one more is Heroku. So Heroku is for deploy our application to online. So this is one online platform where you can deploy your React.js application, Angular application, like that. And we also need this Git. This is a version control test system. So to maintain our repository and to maintain our code, like every different versions of the code, we need to have a Git. Okay, and we also need TypeScript, because in the last of React.js course, we also use the React.js with TypeScript, so we need to install TypeScript. And along with that, finally we have to install some editors. So your choice, you have these list of editors like WebStorm, Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Brackets. You can actually use any of this editor. Okay, it means if you're already familiar with Visual Studio Code, you can use that. If you know already Atom, you can use it. But especially in my class, I will be using WebStorm. Okay, because WebStorm is little advanced version than Visual Studio Code, and it's very smart editor. Okay, so which will uh, this is more convenient than VS Code, but I'm not saying that you also have to use the same. But if you're already familiar with VS Code, you can use it. But if you're not having any knowledge on the editors, better use this VS Code. WebStorm. Okay, so these are all the things we need to install. Okay, so one second. Let me. Yeah, these are the softwares we have to install. So today something I have to tell you, because my system got hang up. I can't able to install any software in my system at this moment. Okay, but I still tell you how can you do this software installation by yourself. Okay, sorry for today, because I can't show you live software installation, because there is some problem with my system, my laptop. Just now I found that. Okay, it is not able to open any uh, downloads folder also. It's keep taking a lot of time, and it is getting, just hang up. Okay, but yeah, it's becoming like this, and it's not allowing me to open the download files also. So but I don't want to discourage you guys, but still I wanted you to install all the softwares, and keep your system ready. And from Monday we will be doing, uh, we'll be starting the React.js. Fine. You may ask a question, sir, without knowing how can we install. Don't worry, because my previous batch I have already done this installation live. So I'll show you that video. So just go through that video, and you can just install yourself. Okay, just like watching live, or you can just go through that. Okay, so live is not possible today because some problem with my system. I'm very very sorry about that, but still I don't want to discourage. So I show you where is the software installation video is available. It is available online free of cost. If you can go to, if you just go to, yeah, this is one, just go to YouTube and type my name. Okay, just go to YouTube, type my name. If you type my name, you get this my channel. So yesterday's video, those who missed the yesterday's video, yesterday's demo class, so that I have deployed, that I have uploaded to YouTube, that is this one. So if anyone miss, or anyone join the class lately, so you can also visit this video what we have discussed yesterday. And yeah, when you come to the software installation, I have made a video, so you can just go through that. Okay, I can show you live, but some problem with my system. So uh, so I request you to see here, just go to this channel. In that, in the home only, you can find the videos. If not, just click on the videos. Okay, just click on the videos. In that, you can find all the list of videos. So immediately after the React.js, there is one other video called software installation, right? So this is the video, same slide. Okay, what I have seen here, same slide here, but I have done this software installation for Angular. But the same software, same set of software you also use for React. Only one thing which is left is, I show you again, stuck. Okay, so only one software which is not required to install for you guys is Angular CLI. Yeah, see, same software, same list of software you have to install, except this one, Angular CLI, not required. Okay, so along with that, apart from this, any other, all this you can install yourself. Okay, so here I have explained, just like live session, it's a live session. So how to get the notepad, let me make it a bit faster. Okay, so here I have explained how to download the notepad, and how to get this notepad. And also I explained how to get the node.js. Okay, how to download node.js. And I also explain how to get the Insomnia software. So everything I have showed live in this video, but you can just go through this video, and you can just download things by yourself. Okay, it's just 1 hour video. Okay, so up to last, you can also check the versions of Git and everything. Okay, fine. So that's about so this is about software installation. So I'm again, once again, I'm very sorry, my system is still not responding, so I can't do any software installation live. But you can just go to YouTube, type this name, you get the my channel. And in that, the very second video, you can just watch it and you can install. And also don't feel like that every time is like that. No, only first time is happening. Anyway, Monday onwards we will discuss live session. Okay, so I'll make my system ready, so I'll be doing it live. Okay, so don't worry about it. Fine. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, still yesterday you have some questions, right? So you can ask me when you're starting another session, 5 to 5 or 6 p.m. Not 5 p.m. It is the next session is going to be the 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Okay, you can ask me any other question.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Tell me. I can hear.
Hi, sir.
Maybe your net is a bit slow, it seems.
Sir, what about interruptions? Sir?
You can type because I can't hear you properly. Can you chat? Okay, fine. Any questions you can ask me regarding the course or regarding the projects, anything. I hope everything gets cleared yesterday itself, but still, if you have something, you can ask me.
Naveen, Santosh here.
Ha, Santosh, tell me.
I have a small doubt regarding the payment. Uh,
Okay,
when I'm doing SBI credit card payment, do I have to pay 6,000 or 6,700?
6,700.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. One second. I have shared the payment details for everyone, right? So please check your email ID. So I have shared yesterday's video link along with the payment details. I'll just show you once. Uh, if you go to my sent item, not this one. So I'll just explain one second. Here, okay, people are still paying. Okay, so see, my net also a bit slow today. But first class, I didn't want like this. Yeah. Okay, Vivek, you have done the payment. Yeah, I've seen your email now, just now. 1 minute.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have to click on the sent items. Yep. Okay. 1 second. You can just see this. Yeah. So I have shared this email ID to the multiple people who are all registered for this course. So regarding this is, yeah, start date timings will be 8 to 10 and 45 days, Monday to Friday, sometimes Saturday. Because if I miss any class between Monday to Friday, any rare cases, then that time Saturday will be there class. Okay. So yesterday we discussed these concepts, and that video I have given the link here, and today's video I'll be keeping the link because the same this video, okay, because we are not doing live, so this is the video same. And along with that, when you come to the payment details, yeah, today is the last date. Don't worry, tomorrow also Sunday, right? So tomorrow you can take your time up to Sunday you can pay. So Monday freshly will start, because I think from Monday I'll share you the fresh link for paid people. Okay, so please do it at least by Sunday end of the day. You can do it. Okay, if you have any query, you can ping me on this number WhatsApp. Okay, and yeah, so those who are going to pay through Google Pay, so Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm, you can do for to this number, that is 6,000 rupees. And those who are willing to pay through credit card, so you have an option using Zoom or PayPal, you can do it. So I have given the links here, you can do it. But problem is, if you those who are paying with PayPal, so amount will be 6,700. And those are paying from outside of India, so for them it is $90. Okay, so without PayPal directly, who are doing the bank transfer for outside people, it is $85. Okay, but only through credit card like this, because there's a lot there are a lot of deductions are happening through PayPal, because in this conversion, right? Some people paying through the Russian Russian currency, and some people paying the Kenya currency and US currency, like that. Okay, so it's just too many conversion, they are taking too much commission, so hardly 700 is getting deducted. So I have given 6,700 for tax. Even Indian people also, they're deducting a lot of tax. So I don't know from your side how much they're deducting, but from my side around 700 rupees they're deducting. So I made 6,700. Okay, and if you're doing bank transfer directly for this, you can do 6,000. So Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm to this number is 6,000, and for bank transfer for this one is 6,000. And those are doing only credit card, for them it is this much. Okay, because I'm very sorry, because they are deducting the same amount. Okay, so I if I want to give a discount, I'll give for everyone, but uh, this I can't do anything. Okay, and once you have done the payment, just ignore this email. I used to send this email this couple of days. Okay, and once you have done the payment, so please do share the payment slip to this email ID so that I can verify, and I'll be sending you the official email stating that the payment receipt and all. So please do share the payment slips to the same email ID which you have received from this one, navin.uibrains@gmail.com. The same email ID you can reply. Okay. And if you have any queries, okay, those who want to pay, because those who are having especially the financial crisis, uh, they want to pay in installments. Yeah, I tell you open, installments are there, but you can pay 4K and 2K. Okay, two installments are possible, first 4K and then 2K. If you're willing to pay, yes, I definitely, uh, you can pay 6,000. If you want to pay in installments, you can do 4K and then 2K. Okay, please don't make any bargainings. Okay, fine. So this is about a confirmation of payments. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Oh, many people are typing. Okay, okay. Let me read the chat. Okay, 1 second.
Hello, sir. Are you
Um,
hearing me?
yeah,
Hello?
yeah. Please, sir.
Hello, sir. I'm Sanjit. I'm from Nepal, and I'm a bit confused regarding the payment because here
You're
is a
from
problem.
Nepal. Nepal, is it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So I
And
think in Nepal currency you're gonna pay, is it?
yes.
Okay. So do you have any possibility to send directly to this bank account?
No, sir. I had tried that yesterday, but
Okay, 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 fine. So you are gonna pay the credit card, is it?
uh,
Yeah.
I
Okay,
have a
fine.
credit card, but credit card only works in my country,
Oh, okay, okay.
not for the
Then
India. So I'm facing problems. So if there is anyone who is from Nepal and who transfer money to your account already, then can you give me
but
him or her address or contact number? I will contact him or her and ask him to how he or she transfer money to your account.
yeah, most of the people will do a payment through this PayPal only, and I
Mhm.
because I many people from this Africa, Russia, and Malaysia, Singapore, even this countries like Afghanistan, people used to pay through this one. So I reckon just try this link. Okay, I think this would have worked for you because all over the world this is the one. Okay, only for Indian people this is the one. Okay, so try to make the equivalent Indian rupees for this one. I don't know what is the Nepal currency value,
Yes, sir, I
but
know it's
just
around
equivalent
10,000.
number you can send.
Yeah.
Okay, just try that. If not, I'll just tell you if any other alternative way.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah,
I will go
yeah.
for that.
Any questions? Anybody? Yeah, let me read the chat. After course, do you plan a simple code on React with TypeScript? Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. I'll do that. Okay, yeah, with the TypeScript, even I'm planning to take the whole course as TypeScript, but I have promised you for JavaScript. So definitely there'll be some classes on TypeScript with React. Don't worry, I'll definitely consider that. Okay. And do you add some extra codes like how to connect Django? Django. Let's see. But I'm not sure Python. Okay. Let's see if we have some time. Okay. And Sandeep, do you plan a simple code operation? Yeah, we'll do that. And yeah, Sanjit, yeah, you have discussed just now, right? Nepal. Okay. Fine. Sir, can we pay on Monday? Okay. 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 Fine. Because I am telling that. 1 second. So I'm telling that Sunday is the last day, but yeah, you can take Monday. I can understand the current situation of COVID, so possible. Yeah, Monday also possible. You can try that. Okay, but as much as possible because I told right limited seats, only 50 seats available. Extra people I will announce the next batch. Okay, maybe after 15 days. Okay, so please be take the chance of early hours, early days of the course. Okay, fine. I think no questions. Ha
One
ha ha.
question again.
Yeah.
Gaurav here. I just want to ask, so how many months this course for? So is around two
This
months course or
course is no. It is for 45 days.
45
40
days? Okay.
45 days daily 2 hours.
Daily 2 hours.
Actually, yeah. Let me tell you frankly. 45 days course, because as per my content which I have showed in the day one yesterday, so everything is gonna cover within 45 days exactly, maybe 46 hardly. Okay, and I can also say we will have a class for 50 days, actually 50. So 45 days I'll cover whatever I wish. I have showed in the content. Extra 5 days I'll take as a buffer. I mean, I'm telling us 50 now. So extra 5 days why I'm taking as a buffer is, you may have some interview questions and you may want to cover some interesting topics. So in that 5 days we will be sitting together and we will be elaborate concepts on that. Okay, extra buffer is 5 days. So total 50 days, 100 hours, but my content is 45 days. Okay, extra 5 days we'll sit together and we'll discuss some more concepts. Like some people have asked for TypeScript, so like that. Okay, fine. And
So what are the topics that we are covering in 45 days?
oh, you joined today?
Yeah, I joined today actually. Yesterday I didn't
Okay,
join.
okay, okay. Can you do one thing? I just go to. Do you know my channel, right?
Yeah, I have
My
your channel.
Yeah, yeah. Just go to YouTube and type my name. So definitely you get this link. I mean this channel. Yesterday's video I have kept here. The very first one is this one. So here I have showed every slide, because we have actually 7 modules. Okay, so like React class based components, functional components, Redux backend, Metal UI, Prime React, and final project. So every slide I have gone through, and I have also walked through the live projects. Like this project I have gone through, and even some more other. Sorry, there's a problem with internet. Yeah, so some more applications like this kind of application I've gone through live. Okay, so just please visit this one so you get some clarity. Okay, Gaurav.
Also, Naveen, are we? Uh,
Huh,
1 second. Yeah. Hi, Naveen.
huh.
Also, Naveen, are we working on the live project? Like live? Are we doing work on any live project? Like after in 45 days?
Yeah, this
Hello.
everything is live, right?
No,
I'm
no.
not I'm not getting.
Like yeah, yeah. My like suppose Amazon is a website, right? Amazon is a
Huh,
site
huh.
where each and every person buy everything. So
Yes,
like we are making such type of applications like Amazon clone, like kind of.
yes, we are doing that only. We are doing this one. This is what it belongs to the Amazon mockup. Okay, that's
Okay.
what I understand your
Uh,
question. Just go through that
yeah.
video. So I have gone through live
Okay.
demo. So you will definitely get the answer for that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
because
Okay.
I've
That's
shown
great.
everything.
Okay.
So yeah, so please go
Okay.
through
Okay.
that. If still you have something, you can just ask me on this number, WhatsApp. I will definitely help you out. This number. Okay, I think it's there in the
Okay.
mail.
Okay.
The mail it is there. Yeah, the same number, WhatsApp. Okay. Any other question?
Okay.
Anybody?
Hello.
Um, hello. Who is this?
Hello. This is Ramya. Actually,
Ha, Ramya,
like
ma'am.
I'm
Tell me.
using,
Ha.
yeah, yeah. So I'm using Mac ProBook. So Notepad++ will not be there, right, for Mac. So can we use any text
Okay.
editor?
Okay. Ha. You can definitely use anything.
Sublime text like that.
Ha. Yes. Yes. You can.
And
You can.
even Heroku is available in Mac.
Heroku is available. Yes. Heroku Git available in Mac.
Okay.
It's
Like
there.
Git, how it is available for Mac? Uh,
It's
like
a
we have to go.
command line. No, it's just a command line. Command line. It's a commands to type to
Yeah,
host
yeah,
the
I know
application,
commands.
everything. Ha.
Like in Windows, we use for Git Bash, right? For Git.
Ha. Yes.
Same.
There you have to use the terminal.
Okay, terminal. Okay.
Ha. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And even WebStorm, that will need license, right? So how?
Yes, exactly. Good question. Regarding the WebStorm license, I tell you, WebStorm, yeah, just see here, all the editors like VS Code, Atom, brackets, everything is free of cost. Even everything is free in this slide except WebStorm. So WebStorm is paid one, and it only available for first 30 days. Yeah, wait, Ravi, 1 second. So this software is only 30 days trial version. And don't worry, once you join my batch, I'll give you the license for you. Okay, and that works for lifetime. Okay, so just install the one which I have showed in the video, and once you join and pay the fee, I'll be giving you the license. So I have a group license so that you can use it, and it works for lifetime free of cost. So don't bother about paying license of this one.
And how to install TypeScript in Mac? Like,
My Mac, same command, npm install TypeScript.
okay.
Yeah.
Like not from the browser, we have to install TypeScript.
No. That is from command line. First you have to install Node, and then you have to install the TypeScript npm command.
No, Node it is available in browser, right? Like package is there for Node.
Yeah, that's what. Once you Node is available, installable, but once you do installer, Node will be installed in your system just like Java JDK. Okay. So using after you install Node, npm some package will be there inside Node. So using that package only you install TypeScript.
Okay.
And
Got
even React also you install through npm.
Okay, npm create. Okay.
Yes, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Naveen, also, when the class will be started from Monday, this Monday?
Yeah, yes, correct. Monday from this 5th October, the first application of React.js starts.
Okay. At what time?
Same time, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Class timings, 8 to 10 evening.
So, evening. There is no possibility in morning?
Morning, I have already one batch. It's gonna start. It's already started, and last project we are doing it. E-commerce project now running on. So I think by next 15 days we're gonna start the next batch in the same place. That will be 7 to 8 in the morning.
7 to 8. Only 1 hour.
7 to 9.
Okay.
Sorry,
Yeah,
7 to 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what actually.
Yeah. Any question? Anybody?
Hi, Naveen. Ravi.
Ravi.
Is there any?
Tell me.
Yeah, I just wanted to check out regarding the projects. So the projects will be done in same day, duration, like 45 days, or it will take some extra days.
No extra day, because see why I'm giving the pretty sure that 45 days, because it's not my first batch, right? I have already done multiple batches. So definitely I understand. Definitely will cover in that timeline. Okay. Definitely. And it hardly 46. It hardly 46.
Just looking for the 45 days. If you're taking more time, more days as well, I'm fine with that. Just one thing, sometimes it happens for the completing the course only the instructor skip some topics.
No.
My concern.
Nothing. Because I just share you this entire PPT, and even I have a detailed content I'll share you. So and even I have gone through each and every files. I can't show you the setup here. In the first video I have shown. Did you join yesterday?
No. I joined.
Okay, fine. So I request those who has not joined yesterday, the first demo class. So go to my YouTube channel, UiBrains Technologies. There, the very first video. So just see that, because I have gone through every application what we are going to develop. So complete transparent I have given. So definitely we'll cover more than that. Okay, but not less than that. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Any other question?
Yeah, Naveen. Is there any chance to start full course on React with TypeScript in this batch?
Yeah, I'm planning, but I'm not sure when it will be. But you know what? At least 2-3 applications, if you develop with React and TypeScript, you can convert any application with that. That's not a big issue.
Oh, okay.
And even I'm going to launch a free course on TypeScript in this YouTube. So you can also refer that. I have already made some TypeScript videos somewhere. This is Ajaxa. So somewhere I have done, but that's not complete course on TypeScript. So I'll definitely tell you that, because TypeScript means you need to know the TypeScript.
Yeah.
So I will definitely consider that. Okay.
But at least some part we are going to build something.
Yeah, we are going to do that in the current class itself.
Okay, sure, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Any other question?
Are you planning any Node.js class as well? Node.js and Angular?
Angular.
Yes, Node.js and Angular.
Angular separate course, no?
Yes. That's what actually. Are you planning any batch for that?
Yes, I have. I have Angular batch. Morning one batch is there, evening one batch is there. But
Mm-hmm.
morning batch is going to finish. Evening batch recently started. I think around some 15-20 days it is started. Morning batch is gonna finish in next 10 days. I'm gonna announce
Okay.
the morning batch for Angular. And even the people who are joining for Angular batch, every example what I have showed in React.js class, every example same to same. Just like see here, I have a video, a GitHub profile search in React.js, GitHub profile search in Angular. This is a promotion purpose I kept. So
Mm-hmm.
exactly front end is same. Okay, design everything same, but only thing is in Angular class we'll do everything with Angular. In React.js class we do everything with React. Even if you take this e-commerce application also, each and every page is looks similar. Okay, but by seeing the video, I mean by seeing this front end, you can't understand it's a React or Angular. Okay, in Angular class it is completely Angular backend, and in React.js class it's completely React. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because why I have designed such a way that is, those who are joining my both React and Angular classes, so they will easily understand, they can easily differentiate what is the, I mean how can you do with the same story with React and Angular. So I have made
Yeah.
in that way.
Yeah.
Okay, and even the contact app, even the big basket, everything same.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Naveen, Bharat here.
Bharat, tell me.
Yeah, can you briefly compare between Angular and React? Because we hear a lot of content in YouTube, right? Some guys
Mm-hmm.
will say that Angular is out of the market, which is very low for jobs, and some guys will say React is only preferring only startups, but not for MNC companies like that. So those
Uh-huh.
who are teaching Angular, they say that Angular is best. Some people
uh,
say that who are
uh,
teaching
uh,
React
uh,
is best. You are
hmm.
the guy who teach both, right? So can you
Yes.
briefly compare which is the
Okay.
best, and
Okay.
what are the real, which is suit
Yeah.
for who's?
Okay. Yeah, Bharat, good question. I like your question. I
Yeah,
show
thank
you.
you.
Yeah, by yourself only you can search for it. So don't remember. Don't think about any other. You can just
Hmm.
go to Google Trends, right? Google
Yes, of course.
Trends. Yeah, just search in Google Trends. You understand the popularity. Okay. So because some people nowadays saying Vue is more popular than Angular. Not like that. Let's
Hmm.
say Google Trends. I show you Google Trends.
Actually, it depends on the situation. It depends on the organization to organization.
Yes, definitely. Because we never know. Because see, before COVID, after COVID, it's a lot of difference. It's like what you say, before Christ, after Christ, just kind of like that.
Yeah.
So before COVID, people people looking for either one framework. But now what happened? After COVID, they're looking for both, because they also never know what kind of project they're going to get. Okay, so even that's the reason why I made my course such a way that Angular and React same kind of concept. So
Yeah.
it will be easy for the student also to understand, because in Angular you develop one project and React you develop some projects, and you never know how to do it with React this one
Yeah.
and how to do with Angular this one. So that's why I made same kind of example, so you get easily understand the differences.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
and
Naveen. My question is that you are gone through the subject, right? React and
yes,
Angular.
yes, yes.
In your opinion, what should be the long span for IT industry? Which would be the
I
trends?
definitely prefer both. Okay.
Exactly.
Because that's
Now
what I'm telling,
actually,
right? Yeah.
now
Previously,
the Vue.js is very popular nowadays.
I tell you, in India, React is popular. In US, sorry. In India, Angular is popular. In US, React is popular. I show you the differences now. I show you the React JS, uh, Angular, React, and let's also starts with Vue.js. Vue.js. Yeah, Vue.js. Fine. Now we can search for all this. For past 12 months, what is the popularity in United States? I have searched for. So United States, React is most popular, then Angular, then Vue.js. Okay, so this is the search term, and if you say whole worldwide, you can take worldwide. Yeah, worldwide if you take, there also React is most popular, then Angular, then Vue.js. Okay, so don't take just these values. Okay, and don't even just think like, oh, Angular is very, I mean, very less
Can you
popular.
select
Actually,
for
not like
India
that.
once?
Yeah, let me select India. India, I guess Angular is popular. Yeah, now it is after COVID. You can
It's
search
almost
exactly this
same.
time COVID started. So almost the same. Okay, because earlier when I was searching, Angular was the top one. See, Angular 100, React 84, Vue, India. So now at this situation, see, as I said, both required same level. Vue not that important. Very few projects use the Vue. But one thing
Okay.
is, it's not that hard to learn because see, simple example I tell you, if you want to learn, see, simple example, na, because we are kids when we are kids, we don't know any language, right? So, for example, I'm from Telugu background,
Exactly.
so I to talk some basic statements and basic things in Telugu, it would have taken me 3 or 4 years to me, right? Because initially when we born, later once we have
Yes.
get the Telugu knowledge, so if you want to learn Hindi or English, it doesn't take much time, it doesn't take that much time, because we will compare. Okay, in Telugu we'll talk like, we will say like this, in Hindi we'll call like this, and we'll compare like that, same story. If you learn first one frame first time, if you don't know React, Angular, anything, first time takes time. Yes, definitely, I agree. First framework takes time, but next framework not take that much time, because you definitely compare. That's what I said. Once you develop this in React, you definitely compare, because both are for single page application only, and both are component based development only. So, and both are having two-way binding. Only thing you need to know, how to do two-way binding in React and how to do two-way binding in Angular. That's the only difference. Okay, and even the best
Okay.
part is, React also started using TypeScript nowadays, so it is even easy for you to compare, because here also TypeScript is there, here also TypeScript you write it. Okay, so that way. Okay, when I think I thought you got
Yeah. Okay.
answer.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. um any question last? Anybody? No? Okay, fine. So
One more small question.
Santosh.
Naveen, when you're going through all these concepts, are
Hmm.
you going to cover like it's basic question, but nowadays I'm feeling so much things it becoming reusable when we are going through using that encryption and inheritance in JavaScript, right?
Yes.
The code will be more reusable. So in what
Yes.
manner exactly we can use in case of JavaScript? I am not at all. I'm little bit confusing. I'm not able to write reusable code like any components kind of thing. So can you please help me in that?
See, component itself is reusable, right?
Yeah, correct. But when see, for example, if you have any three kind of transaction with the different variables, then we can use inheritance. Those kind of things we can use, right?
Yes, because of that only React JS started using TypeScript now, because in JavaScript that type of features are not there. And that too, in JavaScript you want to do that inheritance and all, there is a concept called prototypes. And prototypes is it just only mimic the concept, but it's not the real inheritance way. Okay, so people are hesitates to write the prototype, because that prototype is outdated, because class concept has come from year 6 and 7. Class concept has come, but interface concept is not there in JavaScript till now. So people are, is like confusion, because we can't we use the class completely, and can't we use interface completely, and we can't make the complete object oriented principles also. So that's the reason why even React people also understand that situation, and they don't want to wait for the next version of JavaScript when they are going to release the complete OOPS features including JavaScript. So they even to compete the Angular, because Angular and React JS both are competitors, because Angular runs on TypeScript and React JS runs on JavaScript. And even Angular story. When Angular started, it was on JavaScript only. That is called Angular JS.
Images.
So they made on JavaScript only. But later they found that okay, if you just work on only JavaScript, it will take very too much time, too many years to I mean to get the best outcome of it. So they understand that time itself around 2016 they release a new version of Angular, that is Angular 2. So that time onward they are using TypeScript too. So once they have started using TypeScript, it's grown up like anything, because complete object oriented features we use, because in the world most of the developers are from object oriented. Okay, Java, .NET, C++, everything object oriented. So that way Angular has become most popular. And React people, what they have done is they since day one onward they are using JavaScript only. Now at this time they understand the importance of TypeScript, and they understand the importance of object oriented. So they also started supporting the TypeScript. Previously we used to write JSX, now they are writing TSX, TypeScript X. Okay, that's a separate like templating concept of React. So ultimately OOPS will win. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. So
so
can you please cover those concepts in this course? Because
yes,
I'm
definitely.
please don't forget. I will also note down the points.
Yeah,
and,
yeah, sure. You can ask me. You have a video recording, right? You can ask me definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any questions last?
Hi Naveen, this is Ramya from here.
Yeah, Ramya, please.
Whatever you are going to cover the topics related to the big basket.
You're asking daily question on big basket only. Yesterday also you asked. Okay, fine. That's fine. Please ask.
That is related different, right?
Okay. Please.
And the topic is only related to the big basket, or some other? Can we create some other website like that? This is a simple question. Actually, I don't ask, but I would like to know about that. For that.
No. I didn't get the question. Only big basket you are going to develop, or any other you're asking?
Yeah. That one.
Yeah, big basket is just minor project. For example, why I have given big basket application is because we have learned multiple concepts, right? For example, I show you the slide because we have 7 modules. 7 modules. First module, this one, basics module, React hooks, React Tank. So in basics module, when we start, we learn everything. We learn CSS how to configure, Bootstrap how to configure, what is props, what is state, event handling, form handling, every concept we learn. So what is my opinion is, because if you see my HTML tutorial, CSS tutorial also like that. In HTML also, first we learn some concepts, and by clubbing all the tags, we'll develop one project like that. So we learn the concepts. So yeah, every concept we have their own example. For example, HTTP calls, we have GitHub profile search. For routing, we have a complete example. Context API, we have separate example. So every concept we have separate example. But what my plan is, for this module level, I need one major project which covers everything. Okay. So at this module level, we learn all these concepts individually. So let's just club everything together, even with backend Node, Express, and MongoDB. So club everything, develop something, because you understand. Okay, individually we'll develop like this. By clubbing everything, we'll see the real picture, so that this module will be completed. Later we'll start with hooks. In hooks also we develop same story. Then you understand the comparison between, okay, event handling happens in class components like this, and hooks events handling happens like this. So you understand differences between each and every concept. And later we also develop a same project called big basket application, even React hooks, because we have learned individual concepts. So clubbing all this for this module, major project is big basket. So like that. And here Redux. So this is a complete concept like state management, something global state management, using Redux also. Actually, Redux can be used for large scale applications. Okay, but what I have planned is, let's use Redux also for event handling. Actually, if you do for small example Redux setup also, it will take a lot of time, but still you understand even a simple concept, how can you connect the Redux. So every concept what we have discussed here, every concept Redux is involved. So once you have done that, again by clubbing every concept, we will also discuss big basket. So this module gets covered in the big basket. So now you have a clarity how to develop how to use all the concepts and how to develop this full stack using class-based components, using hooks, and using React plus hooks. And then we'll see this one. This is just minor one, just like a bootstrap and this one. So finally, when we develop the major project, so here everything gets covered.
Okay.
Okay, so like one by one, level by level, we'll go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any question? Anybody? No? Okay, fine. Fine. So yeah,
Are we using GraphQL as well?
GraphQL not there because I have taken only 45 days now. So 45 days,
Okay.
I hope GraphQL not able to cover. Okay, but I'm just looking for it. But let's see, because I can't give you the false promise. But
Yeah.
once this all finish, if you have time, definitely we'll consider, because 45 days, right? 45 days I'll cover all this, and next to 5 days extra I told, right? 50 days. So in
Yeah.
that 5 days, we'll see any miscellaneous concepts.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That's great.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that. Any question?
Hello.
Naveen, please tell me.
Yeah, one more thing, Naveen. Actually, we are writing the React with JSS, and also we can write React with TypeScript. Actually, currently React with TypeScript is more popular than React with JSS, right? Because of support classes and everything.
Not like that. Because see, we can't say that, because
Okay.
we don't know. Some people using JSX only. Some people, see, I tell you, for that matter, we can't say that sir React is most popular. React hooks is most popular because some people are already using class-based components only. Still, many of the companies, even our company, we are still using class-based components only. And
Okay.
the advanced concept is from React 16.8 hooks has come, and this more convenient to write than class-based. But still, companies are still using class-based, and even Redux. Very few companies using Redux, and some people using only managing with context API. Okay, so that
Okay.
way. And I definitely agree that people started using TypeScript, but I can't say only TypeScript combination of React is most popular, because we never know,
So
right? If you are
can we
going
achieve
to
same
join,
thing?
sorry.
Can we achieve same thing what we are writing in TypeScript with JSX also?
Definitely. See, if you just know one example, we can convert every example to that. And even I'm promising
Okay.
that we will use the TypeScript also, including JavaScript and TypeScript.
Okay.
Yeah, that way. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And any question? Okay, fine. Let me wind up. So please do the software installation. Okay, so please do the software installation. I repeat again, just go to my YouTube channel and you just watch the second video, and please do the complete setup by yourself. And if you have any question, I have shared, I think, any group. Yeah, there's a Telegram group link is there in the email last. Okay, this is a Telegram group for online classes. Just join this group. Okay, here many people will be asking the question. So if you have any difficulties in installing any software or something, you can just watch it. You can just post that issues in this group. Okay, or else you can just contact me on this WhatsApp number. And also, please do the payment as early as possible. One second. Yeah, so please do the payment as early as possible, so that early birds can be allocated, because almost 80 plus people has joined yesterday. I know less people today because I know people are enjoying the weekend. Even I have to go out now. Okay, so please do it at least by Sunday night or early Monday morning. So Monday night the class, right? So before class starts on Monday, so please do it. And please do share me the screenshot, so I'll give you access for the Google Drive, so for all the coming videos and project files and everything, right? So once again, thank you so much for taking this course, and happy learning, right? Thank you, and happy weekend. Thank you.